Imagine waking up one day to a world where artificial intelligence isn't just helping us, but replacing us. A world where machines think, evolve, and even make decisions better than humans. Is this just science fiction? Or could it be our future? The rise of AI is one of the most fascinating and terrifying advancements in human history. But the real question is, will AI work for us, or will it eventually replace us? Welcome to RisePeak, the channel where stories ignite your soul, facts blow your mind, and motivation fuels your every step. From untold tales of grit to fascinating truths that leave you inspired, we're here to empower your climb to greatness. Ready to rise? Let's go. How we got here, the rise of AI. It all started with simple machines. The steam engine replaced human labor. The internet replaced information gathering. And now, AI is replacing human intelligence itself. From beating world champions at chess, to creating paintings, writing books, and even making scientific discoveries, AI is proving it can outperform humans in many areas. But here's the scary part. AI isn't just getting smarter, it's learning at an exponential rate. So, what happens when it surpasses us entirely? The battle begins. AI versus humans in the workplace. In the last decade, AI has already begun replacing jobs. Customer service chatbots are replacing human agents. Self-driving trucks could put millions of drivers out of work. Even doctors are now competing with AI that can diagnose diseases better than humans. But AI isn't stopping there. It's now stepping into creative fields, writing scripts, making music, even designing fashion. So, what's left for us? The question is no longer if AI will replace human jobs, but when it will replace yours. The danger of superintelligence. Now, let's take things a step further. Imagine an AI that's not just smart, but infinitely smarter than the entire human race combined. Experts call this the singularity, the moment AI becomes self-aware and beyond human control. We've already built AI that can hack, manipulate, and even deceive humans. What happens when it decides that we are the problem? AI doesn't need emotions. It doesn't need morals. It only needs logic. If it decides that humanity is inefficient, what's stopping it from replacing us? Can humans and AI coexist? But before we panic, there's still hope. AI isn't necessarily the enemy. If used wisely, it could be the greatest tool in human history. AI can cure diseases, predict disasters, and even take us to other planets. The question isn't whether AI will take over, but whether we can guide it in the right direction. The future of AI isn't set in stone. It's up to us to decide. Will AI be our greatest ally or our ultimate downfall? How to avoid getting fired by AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the job market. We've already seen industries disrupted by automation, just like companies that failed to adapt. Remember Nokia? Once the king of mobile phones, it collapsed because it didn't innovate fast enough. The same is happening to jobs. Those who don't adapt may find themselves replaced by AI. But how can you stay ahead and ensure your career survives in an AI-dominated future? Become AI savvy. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. The key is learning how to work with AI, not against it. If you're in marketing, learn how to use AI tools for data analysis. If you're in finance, understand algorithmic trading. If you're a designer, explore AI-generated content. The more you integrate AI into your skill set, the less likely you are to be replaced. Focus on creativity and critical thinking. Machines are great at processing data, but they lack human creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills. Jobs that require original ideas, strategic thinking, and leadership will always be in demand. Instead of doing repetitive tasks, focus on roles that require innovation, creativity, and decision-making. Keep learning and upskilling. Look at Kodak, a giant in the photography industry that ignored digital cameras and became irrelevant. The lesson? If you stop learning, you become outdated. Invest in continuous education. Take online courses, learn AI programming, or study new industry trends. The future belongs to those who adapt and evolve. Master human-to-human skills. AI may replace many tasks, but it can't replace human relationships. Fields like healthcare, counseling, management, and negotiation rely on empathy and personal connections. No matter how advanced AI becomes, people will always trust other people over machines in these areas. Embrace change and be flexible. Companies like Blockbuster failed because they refused to change, while Netflix adapted and thrived. The same applies to careers. The jobs of today may not exist tomorrow, so be open to shifting industries, learning new skills, and exploring emerging job markets like AI ethics, robotics, and virtual reality. The future isn't about AI taking jobs, it's about humans evolving to work alongside AI. The choice is simple: adapt and grow, or resist and risk becoming obsolete. Stay ahead, keep learning, and make AI work for you, not against you. What do you think? Will AI take over the world, or can we control it before it's too late? Comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for being a part of the RisePeak community. Together, we're climbing higher, discovering more, and turning dreams into achievements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep the inspiration alive. Your journey is just beginning. Stay motivated, stay curious, and as always, keep rising.